Penelope. How are you, Penelope? You just ate your oatmeal, and you had a little bit of milk. Now we're gonna try peas. Yummy. You excited? Yeah. Okay, you ready? Here you go. Yummy. Is that good? No? You don't like it? What do you think? That's peas. Sweet peas? Just like you, sweet pea. Oh, baby. You don't like it? Yummy, yummy. You want to try again? Here, try again. Open. No? Oh, baby girl. Yeah. Here. Yeah. How many times does she have to try this before she likes it? 18?
18 times.
Okay,
Or
open.
18 bites. 18 feedings or 18?
Oh.
Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, try one more time.
Maybe you like it? No? Yes?
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh. Oh, sweet girl. There you go, a couple more bites. I don't know if she swallowed any of it.
I think she just did.
She swallowed it. Here, babe. No bite? Open.
You're not wanting to.
Yeah. Oh, she's gagging.
Yeah. Yum, yum. That was good. Yummy. Tasty. Yummy.
Oh, sweetie. Here you go.
Yeah. Big smile.
Yum, yum, yum. You bite?
I've never seen that mouth so small.
I know.
Big mouth.
Open.
You ain't having it already.
No.
Good job, babe.
Yeah. One more time. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're done. All done. All done. Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry with the rest of the world. Yeah, who likes mushy peas? Not Mama. I know. Yeah, it's okay to try. Yeah. We'll try something better. Like sweet potatoes. Something like that. You like that. All done, baby.